How to send files on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing first, open up your Snapchat application and make sure that you are logged in. Now after you log in, you can see the option of chat at the bottom left corner of the screen. So tap on that and you can select who you want to send the message to. And at the right corner you can see the section of gallery. You can select on that and choose the file that you want to send to this particular person. So select that file, and as you select the file that you want to send, you get the option of send button right at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you can send the file to this person. Now next step, how we can send the file on Snapchat is we're going to go back. We're going to go to the gallery or the file manager, and here we're gonna search for the file that we want to send to this person. Here I'm selecting this one, and you get the option of send at the bottom of the screen. Then you can see various social media and various platforms how you can send. So just scroll until you find the option of Snapchat. So here you can see the application. Just tap on that and you can send to the required person. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.